Muy bien, chicos. Today you are going to learn about the 10 irregular verbs in the preterite. The 10 irregular verbs in the preterite are verbs that have irregular stems. So remember, a stem is what you have left after you've dropped off the AR, ER, IR ending. No matter if these verbs are AR, ER, IR, these 10 verbs share the same endings. It's important to note that there are no accents on these endings. So, iste, o, imos, istes, ieron. These are the same endings for all 10 irregular verbs. The 10 irregular verbs are as follows. Andar, to walk, and the new stem is anduv. Estar, to be, becomes estuv. Tener, to have, becomes tuv. Caber, to fit, becomes coop. Poder, to be able to, becomes pud. Poner, to put or to place, becomes pus. Saber, to know, becomes soup. Hacer, to do or to make, becomes is. This has an additional irregular form, and that's in the LA with stud form. It becomes iso with a Z. Querer becomes quis. And venir, to come, becomes vin. Okay, but again, remember, there's some AR verbs, there's ER verbs, and there's an IR verb. All of these, no matter what, share those endings. So go ahead and write these example sentences in Spanish. I walked in the park yesterday. They were in class last week. We had a test day before yesterday. Did you come to school last Monday? She did the homework this morning. We put the book on the desk. They were able to speak Spanish. I fit the books in the backpack, and you knew the answer. Pause and write them out. Oh, don't worry about the slide. We're going to go over those other sentences tomorrow in class.